Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Alpha Technical SEM. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please press the bell icon such that you get all the notification upfront and at the earliest. Now we'll go to the our daily Nifty analysis. This is a daily chart. Okay, daily chart means each candle represents a one day. You can see it is an it's just like a doji. There is a big rejection from the top, as we discussed, right? There was a resistance here. See, exactly at the resistance point you can see market has come down, and it is Nifty has come down. It is sitting at 100 days moving average. You can see here 100-day moving average. What is the conclusion? How do we trade tomorrow? For example, okay, if Nifty breaks this 10,039, 10,040 level, okay, and comes down, it can come down to 9,883. There is no support here. The only support is left is 100 EMA. Okay, so if it breaks, it will definitely come down. Definitely means not tomorrow. It may take 1 or 2 days also, or it may consolidate here and then it can start its upward journey again. Okay, by seeing the candle, we can see here. By seeing the candle, we cannot say that market may go up as of now. And then RSI also you can see. RSI is at 67. If it was above 70, we could have been more confident in taking the downside trade. Still, after intraday analysis, I think we will be able to take a call on that. Okay. Now coming to the second setup, our Fibonacci and super trend, you can see here again the same candle. See, here it has come down. Here again the support is at that 50% retracement, 9874. Here what was the level? Sorry, it was 9865. So in and around the same level it is going to take the support. Okay, now we'll go to the 1 hour candle. Okay, 1 hour candle will go. This is our 1 hour candle. You can see there is an RSI divergence in 1 hour candle. Okay, you can see here there is a divergence. So tomorrow it breaks the low. Today's low, I think it should come here also 9889. There it was 9850. So in around the 40-50 points will be the support range. If this support is broken, straight away it will land up at 9,583. This will be the free fall zone. Okay, as per this technical analysis, it's not necessary it has to happen in one day. It may take 1 day, 2 days, we don't know. Okay, because there is a gap here, there is no support, there is no good support here. Still here it may support, right? Now we will go to one more analysis from today, is the volume analysis. We will do this is in investing.com. You can see there was a good this is a 20-day moving average, 1 2 3 4 5 consecutive days. The volume was very good. Okay, now even today the market has fallen, volume is good. Okay, it's above average volume. So market going down, probability of going down is more. If market has to go up, it has to gap up, open above our high today and then go up, or it may consolidate here, but going down is is probability is more. Okay, right friends? Now we'll go to the our option chain analysis. In what does the option chain says? Okay, we can see here there is lot of unwinding happening. Okay, short covering, right? 1 minute. You can see here there are so much short covering happened here, minus 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 minus. So that is called short covering. I have explained to all the 4 concepts, so remember that. Okay, where is the support? 10,200 is the next resistance level. Okay, there is a big huge OA build of 20 lakhs. In 10,100 it is 16 lakhs OA build up. Okay, here they have 13 lakhs OA has been covered. That means when the market went up, they have covered it. Okay, now we can see here in put side in put side they have covered all the bottom position and they have come up, and then when the market fell today, they have 9800 also has been covered here. You can see here 9800. Okay, in 10,100 the change in OI is 14 lakhs change. Okay, the change in OI is increasing and premium is decreasing. What is the conclusion? OI increasing, premium there is fresh short positions. That is the conclusion. But tomorrow is an expiry day, so there will be tomorrow we cannot see the option chain and then take a conclusion. From one data point we cannot conclude. We have to use multiple data points and then conclude our move. Now we will go to Bank Nifty, right? This is Bank Nifty daily chart. See here, Bank Nifty such a big rejection, such a big rejection, and it is just sitting at our 55 moving average. If it breaks the low tomorrow, market should come down to 20,144. Another 600 points down is possible. The next stop will be 20,100 and then the next stop will be 19,700. So about 1000 points fall in Bank Nifty is possible. You can see the same doji candle formed here, market fell here. Okay, here it is a very strong doji candle. You can see the rejection, such a big rejection. So if it breaks the low, I think market will come down. First stop will be 20,800, 20,088, sorry, 20,109, and second is 19,723. Volume is also very good. RSI is also going up and it is trending. The only thing is, chances is that you can see the moving averages curving. You can see moving averages are curving. What is the meaning of that? You can see here moving averages are curving. You can see here it goes like 1 minute. You can see here it is curving upwards, moving averages. Okay, so that is the only hope left for bulls. Let us see what happens. But as the rejections are very big, the candle rejection is very big, so market should fall and take support here. It will consolidate and then it may move its upward journey or downward journey. Okay, in 1 hour we can see again, in 1 hour the same thing happens. There is a divergence in 1 hour candle. No, it was earlier divergence, not today. In Nifty today divergence has formed. Okay, RSI, it is above RSI, it is come inside 70, it is around 65. So it breaks again. Bank Nifty also will fall down, still 19,800 to 20,146. This range is will be a free fall. Okay, this is our 15 minutes setup what we use. Now we'll go to the OI data analyzation. From today we'll have a question and answer session. Every day I will ask a question. You please answer in the comment section. Here again the data analysis, OI data is also suggesting just like Nifty. All call side there is unwinding has happened, short covering has happened. In put side they have added. So there is a huge, they have added 3 lakh unit, 3 lakh change in 20,100 put, because tomorrow is an expiry. So we don't know whether it's a fresh positions or they have already squared off the positions. Let us see. As per the action, price action, we'll correlate with OI data and then we'll take a conclusion. Okay friends, now we'll go to our question and answer session. From today, question of the day is open interest increasing, okay, premium increasing. What is the conclusion? Open interest increase, premium increase, what is the conclusion? Please give your conclusion in the comment section. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you are a new member, please subscribe to our Alpha Technicals M channel. Also please press the bell icon. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.